Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, there is a video that's circulating on TikTok of Naledi Aphiwe with a certain guy, and it is rumored that this is her new boyfriend. People like, I've never been confused like this before, and all I'm just gonna say is that you will be confused until you die, mtagama. Because clearly, if you look at Naledi now and you look at that video, it's totally like you can see that it's an old video. I think they probably dated before maybe she became she was, I can't say she became famous because she has been famous, but maybe before she started dating Maweli. But the thing is that why did we not know about this guy? Like, and why is this guy coming out now and posting their videos? Like, where the hell were you all along? Like, girl, like, listen, we need a story time. We need like a backstory. Like, what the hell is happening? I mean, we cannot mind our own business. That's why we gossip like this. But then, like, Emanyana, like, what the hell is going on? But I definitely have, I'm gonna say this. This is an old video. That is not surprising. Do not be surprised. That is an old video. Obviously you can see, but I'm just like, one thing I'm curious about is like the time frame when this video was taken. Like, were they dating? When did this happen? Like oh, like, are they girl, I don't know. I really don't know, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.